Okay, let's have a look at the unboxing of the OpenRock X by One Audio. As you can see, here's the package just there. Now, doesn't that look like lovely, clean and clear packaging? There's the OpenRock X there. Now, these are open ear air conduction headphones, 40 hours playtime, and a bit more about some of the different features that comes with it, which we're going to go through shortly. But I love the packaging, and you're going to find, guys, what they've done with this, not only packaging, but they've really thought really about it when they've done this. So take it open there, and to start with, there's the actual earbud case. Now, we've also got a carrying case we're going to go through shortly as well. But look at that design, isn't that beautiful? It's unique, I haven't seen this before. So we open it up, and it's obviously designed very much for sport. So there is the actual case there. Now, the actual case itself gives 48 hours of battery life with a charging case. 5 minutes of charging will give you 1 hour of use with fast charging, which, as I always say, guys, is important to me because I always leave my headphones till last minute. We're going to open up by clicking there. And opens up. Look at this. Isn't this like a premium feel? Now, there's the actual earbuds themselves. Again, they're open ear air conduction earbuds. I'm going to take each of them out now. So each earbud has 12 hours of playtime. So there's one there. You've also got one on the other side as well, which is really cool, isn't it? Let me just close that off. Now, I also like how it's got this so you can actually hold it when you're carrying it too, which is a really useful feature. Now go back to the box quickly as well. You've also got an instruction guide in here as well. So on the bottom there, you've got your, which again is really well done. So there's the actual pin you can hold to the case. And there's actually the instruction guide and USB-C cable. Again, look at that presentation, isn't it cool? USB-C cable and instruction guide, which I won't go through shortly. Now let's have a look at these earbuds in a bit more detail. So here they are just here. Now look at that beautiful design. Now these have 12 hours battery life in each. Now, each of them features 14.2 millimeter dynamic drivers in there as well, which really, as you're going to find when we do the full review, gives some fantastic sound, some great bass, sounds really good. They've also got crystal clear calls with an AI algorithm with 4 beamforming mics in each earbud too. And you can see how they're very adjustable for the ears. So that ear hook fits over your ear and that sits against your ear canal. So the sound comes out of there, which is very, very good. So there it is just there, look at that. So they fit on either side of your head. Now I used these out and about and the sound quality was absolutely extraordinary. They've got spatial sound on there which you can use. That's a dual axis precision point, but they're also flexible. So you can bend that if you have different head types. That's a biaxial design, which is actually, they've actually done themselves, OpenRock X, which I think is very, very fantastic. They only weigh about 11.9 grams each, so they're tiny. And with the charging case, it's 90 grams too. They're IPX5 too, which means you can use them out and about if you want to go mountain climbing, cycling, running around. So it's 132 grams with the case with the earbuds. And yeah, they're very, very good. Now these also have cutting edge bass direct as well, which means you're getting some great booming bass through it. And you're going to find when I do the full review, this has probably got the best sound of open ear headphones that I've actually used. It is actually really, really good. I mean, you can adjust these through the EQ settings as well through the app. So beautiful earbuds. As you can see, they're just there. Great case, lovely design. There it is there. And here's also the case as well. So this came with it. You've got the OpenRock case, which you can use to carry them in there. Again, they've thought about everything with this lovely design, lovely features. And you can just pop the earbuds in here if you don't want to use the case. So another option for you, which works quite well also. See? You pop that into your back pocket and turn them on and start using them. So yeah, great pair of earbuds.